kiddos, and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie. And today we are going to do something special. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a small baby elephant, and on top of this baby elephant we are going to make a baby Lord Ganesh. So what we are doing is we are writing a C, taking a curve and coming down like that. This is the trunk, children, the trunk of the elephant. Okay, so this is like a pipe, you know, the nalka pipe, hai na? So this is the trunk. You make a small V here. Now this is the smile, and this is our goblu elephant or the baby elephant, you can say. Now just besides this, now this, since he's smiling, so we'll put this, we'll put a big circle for the eye. This will be the Andu and this shall be the Nargundu. Okay, now see, I have made the Nargundu up because somewhere here I'm going to make baby Ganesha, and what we are going to put is 3 tilaks because भगवान जी है ना, इसलिए 3 तिलक डाल दिए. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है इसका खोपड़ा थोड़ा सा मोटा करते, तो लेट्स डू इट, है ना. इट शुड लुक क्यूट. क्यूट फेसेस आर ऑलवेज विद बिग हेड्स. Okay, here somewhere will be the ears, but first let us make Lord Ganesha. So Lord Ganesha's face is exactly like the elephant because he was given the face of an elephant. Let's start it from a little ahead. So we write the C, we make this curve, we take a turn, and goobly. Okay, after doing this goobly, we again make the C. Same, okay, same here we make the face. Here I have left it because I'm not making it completely. We are going to put some turban for him. We'll make a small teeth and a smile. Okay, this is the goobly, and we're going to make one Andu, one Andu and one Nargundu. Now this elephant is looking at this, and Ganesh is looking at apna elephant. Now we make the ears, typical of the ears. Now since it is our god, so he's wearing kanka. Okay, he's wearing some jewels because he's a god. Okay, if you want you can put the top little hair. Let's put a little hair, then we shall make a pug like the Lord Krishna one. If it is looking good, it's okay. If it is not looking good, we might even rub it. It all depends whether how it is looking. Let's make it here. Let's see how it outcome is going to be. We'll darken it a bit. Let's see how we do it. And again we are going to put the 3 tilaks are indicating that they are the putros of Shiv. Now from here we take a turn because our Lord Ganesha is sitting on our elephant, a baby elephant, and let's make the legs. Now again children, I'm telling you, this is, we just make a goal here, and the feet is one big Andu, then 4 small Andus, Nargundus. This is an abstract painting. Abstract means you don't have to follow the anatomy and physiology of the body. Okay, and abstract paintings you all can do whatever comes to your mind. Now let's make the hands of Lord Ganesha. The hands go here, and let's make the hands 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so, and we'll put a little bit of kada for him. So he's lying off the elephant. Now the ears of the elephant will come from here, and they'll be somewhere here, and they go here. So they are all behind. Okay, they are all behind, children, behind. Now from here let's make the lower part of the elephant and let it go down. Let's see what we do. Take the tail up make the leaf for the tail. Now our elephant is like that. 1. Okay, let's make the tummy first. 2. Then the legs and the legs. Okay, nee, this leg is not looking nice. So let's complete it like that. Or what should I do? I'm finding it a little awkward. I'm going to rub this and make a frame instead. Let's do it a frame wise painting. It'll look more prettier. So we let us my god, sometimes some things don't fall in place. Okay, so it's a frame. So we have cut the legs and the stomach part, and only our elephant is visible. Let's make this essay. Just give it like that. We'll make a frame, children. 1 frame. For the elephant. अभी कृष्ण भगवान बोलेगा मेरे लिए फ्रेम क्यों नहीं है. कृष्ण भगवान बोल रहे हो, गणपति बप्पा. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इधर से ऐसे हम लोग इसको डिवाइड कर देते हैं. 1 and 2. Now the small frame is for the elephant and the big frame is for our Lord Ganesha, and this is the actual frame, and we're going to color it differently. Let's make little full pattas if you wish. If you don't wish, it's okay. If you want, you can make somewhere Nandi, or you can make sure. No, forget it, it'll become too complicated. Okay, so is it clear? I wish it's clear to you. Now I'll quickly do the marker part and get ready for the coloring part. Okay children, I'm through with my marker part. So we have made a cute elephant with a cute Bachu Lord Ganesha. I don't know why I'm feeling I've made a Lord Ganesha like a Krishna Bhagwan. We can even remove a feather. I'll do one thing children. What I'm planning to do is, I did not do it purposely late before. I'm planning to put a chain here. My god, this marker is not writing. I'm planning to put a chain here. Oh, he be like dakhwat nahi. Okay, with the ghanti. We'll color it and then it will happen. Don't you worry. So I did not do it in purpose because I had not shown you. Now what we are going to do is, something is coming in my head, and because something is coming in my head, let's do it. Okay, this is coming in my head that we should make one bird here with the wings. Okay, with the wings, she's chirping and she's trying to say something, and she's sitting like that. Gandhi hai na? Chalega. She's sitting like that, and there is one bird which is down and she's trying to catch something. I think so. ये उसको बोल रही है, अरे बाबा गिर जाएगी, ध्यान से कर भाई, गिर जाएगी नहीं तो. And her tail is going here and she's trying to catch something. And now what is she going to catch? So let us put one patta here. Something imaginary, you सिर्फ ये तो करके फिर छोड़ दिया, फिर मज़ा नहीं आया है ना. उसके बाद हम लोग और कुछ बनाए क्या, इधर भी 1-2 पत्ते बना देते हैं ना. Let's make 2 leaves here. I'll border this later on children, otherwise it gets a bit confusing. Okay, so I have taken 2 colors, that is my orange color and my yellow color. Am I sounding low today? I feel like मैं कर रही हूँ लेकिन मेरे आवाज़ में दम नहीं आ रहा. कैसा सकती आवाज़ तो दमड़ी होनी चाहिए. So I'm just doing orange haphazardly here and there, and orange here somewhere. Haphazardly anywhere. अभी ये पत्ते पे कर दूंगी तो फिर पत्ता होगा नहीं. So I'm avoiding the leaves because it's a light color. Correct children? It's not a very dark color. So थोड़ा अंदर जाता है चलता है, but don't try to get into it too much. So I've done a little orange here and a little orange here, and I've taken my yellow and I'm dragging my orange out. Jimp chicka 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 jimp chicka. Oh my god. हे काय झालं, इकडून इकडे आलं. चलेगा. Jimp chicka 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 jimp chicka chicka chicka. Listen children, I'm leaving little white spaces here and there because I want it to be a little shabby. I don't want a finished look. Because I don't want a finished look, I'm leaving white spaces. Okay, I don't want it finished. It should look like कुछ ऊपर से ऐसा गिरा और फिर अटक गया और वो अच्छे से हुआ नहीं और फिर ऐसा कुछ भी. देखते हैं क्या करने का. Let's see what we are going to do. Even I am not very prepared for it. Let's me take my brownie colors and I want my gande wala brown color. Okay, now this side I'm going to do gande wala brown a little bit. Somewhere here. Am I teaching very tough drawings? नहीं ना, बच्चा पार्टी कर सक रहे हो ना कि मैं छोटा मोटा कुछ अलग वाला सीखाऊं जो टफ ना हो. बोलो बोलो क्या ये खेत है. I'm taking my chocolatey brown children and I'm trying to merge my गंदे वाला brown and chocolatey brown. इकडे मी फक्त चॉकलेटी ब्राउन करते and then my गंदे वाला brown. First I was planning to do a lady. मैंने बोला नहीं रे, बहुत लेडी हो जाती है ड्राइंग, बहुत ज़्यादा लेडीज़ कर ली. अभी थोड़ा शांति देकर थोड़ा सा मैंने भी करने का ना, इसलिए मैंने किया. मैंने गणपति बप्पा का कर लिया. Is this color looking okay or should I take my primary red? Let me see how primary red looks and then we shall decide. You know, this is of what we did yesterday. Okay, this is my primary red. It's giving a good merge. So let's take it off. We'll put a little black also later on when we do our bordering. Why am I sounding low? Am I sounding low? Yes, I feel I'm sounding low. Let's do it slowly. Let's do it. 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 अभी इधर क्या करें, कैरामाइन करें. Let's do caramine. And what we will do is we'll color this also. What was this ghanti? And then what we will do is we'll scrape the color off and make it light. Okay, see, I made it light. Can you see? I wish you all can see. And then over here also I'm taking a little bit of red. I'm going to use black, children, later on, and then I will be pulling it with black. ऐसा थोड़ा थोड़ा, पर वो नंतर होएगा. Let's color the birds. So to color the birds, let's take our yellow color. We'll do a bit. My yellow color is a little dirty, so I'll take another color of yellow from this box. Color this yellow part. Then we'll take a little blue. इकडे आणि इकडे, and the moon, and then the shende, and then the shende. So इसकी shende रह गई. Children, when we border this bird is going to look good. मेरे को क्या हो गया है, कन्नू आंटी का क्या हो गया है, क्या हो गया है. I don't know which blues I am taking. जो भी blue मैं देखूँ, नाम क्या है, Antwerp blue. Actually I am not able to find my Persian blue, so I have taken. अभी ये कोने कोने में मैं blue कस रही है. हाँ, उसके बाद you can do anything. You can do ये तो वही same color है. उसका छोटा बाई निकल गया. वी कैन टेक लाइट ब्लू कलर एंड वी कैन smudge it like that. Okay children, so you can do, and we are going to smudge it with the birds also, because we don't want the birds to be seen actually, but these birds are there. वो सिर्फ बॉर्डर करेंगे ना तभी पता चलेगा. ओके सो हम लोग थोड़ा सा इंदड़े पिंदड़े पोंकी नहीं इंकी पिंकी पोंकी, फादर हैड अ डोंकी, डोंकी डाइड, फादर क्राइड, इंकी पिंकी पोंकी, मूंकी मूंकी मूंकी, बिंगड़े टोकी, पिटकल्ला काला, मुंटकल्ला पाटा, पिटकल्ला पोडे, निमल्ला कोंडे. मैं नहीं बोलती अभी, जस्ट डिंक चिक टिक चिक डिंक चिकटा. ये हमारी है ना. मेरे को क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है मेरा पेज फटेला है क्या? नहीं, मेरे ख्याल से ये हम लोगों ने जो पहले पैर नहीं बनाए थे एलिफेंट के, फिर बाद में हम लोग ने रब कर दिए ना, उसके निशान आ रहे हैं. मैंने इतनी जोर से दबा के बनाया था, मुझे पता ही ना चला. मैनू सी, कैन यू सी दिस गोल गोल swirls? You remember we did these ladies गोल गोल swirls. These गोल गोल swirls are to be seen here. अभी इधर हमको दबा दबा के करना पड़ेगा. दबा कलर टिटले मुटले शुटले टुटले, पिंका पिंका चिंका पिंका पोंकी. अगर मेरी आवाज़ अच्छी नहीं आई है तो आज मैं तो म्यूज़िक डाल देगी. कौन सा म्यूज़िक डालूंगी वो तो मुझको पता नहीं. Okay, so I've taken my light. I've taken my light. I've taken my light. टुटला. Light blue color children. मैंने चींटी को मार डाला. आज एंटवर्प, ये क्या कर रही हूँ मैं? आज एंटवर्प ब्लू का आखिरी दिन था मेरे कंपस में नहीं, कलर के बॉक्स में. सो आई एम यूजिंग माई लाइट ब्लू कलर चिल्ड्रन, डूइंग इट हियर एंड देयर. ऐसा 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 करके फिर डिम्प चिकट. नहीं, मेरे में येलो है तो मैं नहीं करती हूँ ऐसा पीसा. अभी मेरे को तुम लोग को चिड़िया दिखानी है लेकिन दिखानी नहीं है, ऐसा वाला हाल हो गया मेरा. इसलिए चिड़िया को हमने ढक दिया है बच्चों. वो वाला मेरे को याद है, हमें गुलाल उड़ाना है बच्चों. नवरात्रि की ड्राइंग में, अभी नवरात्रि आएंगी फिर हम लोग नवरात्रि की बहुत सारी ड्राइंग्स बनाएंगे, ऐसा मेरा विचार है. पर जो मैं विचार करती हूँ वो कभी सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता, क्योंकि मैंने विचार में बहुत कुछ करने को सोचा था पर करती मैं कुछ अलग ही चूँ, पता ही नहीं चलता मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. इसलिए अरे एंटी वाला कलर थोड़ा सा आजा इधर, बहुत उखड़ा उखड़ा लग रहा है. हमारा हाथी तो ग्रे एंड वाइट होएगा ना. ओए मैं की कर दी पिया. अभी लाइट ब्लू करना था मेरे को, फिर मैंने डार्क ब्लू कर दिया, एंटी वाला कलर कर दिया. और चींटी और एंटी के इतने सारे जोक्स आती, तो इट्स लाइक दैट. आई एम यूज्ड एंट कलर बिकॉज अदरवाइज द एलिफेंट विल फील बैड कि आई डू सो मेनी जोक्स विथ एंट एंड यू आर नॉट डूइंग एंटवर्प कलर. हे भगवान, कभी कभी घसने को बहुत गुस्सा आती है रे, क्या करूं. Actually there's a lots and lots of pending work at home, because of which I'm not able to do my drawings with so much of concentration, but I don't want to lose the connection which I have made with children, and so I try and draw the paintings and keep it in track so that I am connected with you all children. I've recently lost my mother-in-law and because of that, ये सब it's okay, but it's not happening the way I want it to happen. But then Salil, It will take its own pace. The क्या बोलते हैं उसको? The गाड़ी should go on. नहीं, the play should go on. क्या बोलते हैं? The show should go on. देखा, मैं भूल गई. शेक्सपियर ने बोला था ना, पता नहीं किसने तो भी बोला था. The show should go on. इसलिए अपना शो चालू आहे. आपलं गणपती तयार होती. Every time I used to make my video and I used to go and show it to my mother-in-law कि आज मैंने ये बनाया, आज मैंने वो बनाया, and she used to always ask me, तेरे 1000 हो गए? तेरे 1000 हो गए? नहीं मम्मा, अभी नहीं हुई, अभी नहीं हुए, नहीं हुए. ए नहीं यार, ये वाला ब्लू मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है. बहुत ही है ना, बहुत ब्लू 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 हो गया. आई एम टेकिंग अ कोबाल्ट ब्लू and doing a bit of nahi re cobalt blue is also not looking nice. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? I'm taking white. Okay, I'll just pull some color off. It is as it is going to give me a light blue shade, but then that light blue shade was not looking that good. I was not liking, because here also I've done the same thing. So I'm just picking up a little blue from the outside and I am just doing it like that. Let's make the langot yellow with a little bit of patchy blue. So I have my yellows. I had my yellow with me. I'm using a little bit of yellow. This is an abstract drawing, children. You all must be thinking what Tanu auntie is doing, but Tanu auntie is not doing anything wrong. Now see, I am using orange here in the eye, and then I pull it down with yellow. Okay, now the same way we will do the eyes of the elephant with blue, क्योंकि yellow color इधर का yellow का wall we have given it to Ganesha. So what we'll do is we'll do a little blue eyes and a little bit of yellow somewhere here. Okay, let's make it a little, I don't know what am I doing, but then let's play with colors. Let's see how it comes. Let's make the cheeks a bit pinky pinky ponky. And you know वो जो हम लोग डालते हैं ना, this all will be smudged, don't you worry. I'm not done anything wrong. Please don't worry at all. Now I'm taking my blacks too, because I'll be doing a bit of shading. I'm just putting a black stroke wherever I feel like. It's not necessary, you can do it anywhere you feel like. Okay, a little black here. Then we are going to smudge it with grey, children. Because it's an abstract drawing, you have a choice of doing so many things by yourself. If you feel this is not looking nice, you have to do this, you can go ahead, do it. There's no problem at all. And I want to do some jadoo with you with a 1 rupee coin or a Mata ka Sikka. Just give me 1 second, I'll get a Mata ka Sikka. So children, I'm back with this Mata ka Sikka. You know, use some 5 rupee coins, you get this Mata ka Sikka. I had seen it. So what am I going to do is put the Mata ka Sikka upright at the back side. I'll put this. I just hope it comes properly. And then you just have to do zim 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 zim. Okay, so a little impression will be put over here. I've just done it for fun's sake. And then what we do is we take a marker. It's already happened, now let it be. Let's see what is best. Okay, so I put a little bit of black, and now I take my gray color and I just pull a little bit of black outside. It's a easy-go-lucky painting, children. Don't you worry. Even if something is not happening in its proper place, please don't worry, because it is an abstract painting. Abstract paintings, you all should not worry at all. Now see, I have my white color. Let me clean it a bit. नहीं तो पता चला तनु आंटी का एक पचका जाला है. Okay, now this pink color, I'm just smudging my pinku galu, and I'm taking it a little ahead. My hands are okay. Yes, so I'm taking it a little ahead. I'm smudging my yellow. I'm taking my gray a bit out, still more out. Okay, here also we are just smudging a little bit of color so that it gives a little even look, but please do it a little shabbily, because the more shabbily you do it, the more beautiful this drawing will look. Remember that. See, every drawing has its own. Sometimes I tell you do it very carefully, sometimes I tell you bindas karo, kaisa bhi karo, chalega. Now see what am I doing is, ये माता के सिक्के का जो इधर उधर से जो आया था उसके ऊपर ऐसे मैंने सिर्फ, you can see the full impression of Mata over here. Now the ears, yes, I think so this is done. The ears here and a little bit of the head part. Now we have a little bit of green part to be done. So let us take sap green color. ये तो टुटला है. Or let's take a light green color, whichever green color you like. And please color the nail. This color is not looking nice. Let's take a green shade, darker green shade, that is the sap green color, children. You all have to decide which color is to be taken when. I play with colors and I wish even you all do the same thing. Now children, see, my hands are dirty. I'm just cleaning my hands. And a little bit of smudging here and there, whatever is required shall be done. Okay, and then what we are going to do is just take our 8B pencil. See, now I have blue color in my hand, see, and I am doing this part a little shabbily. Sometimes shabby paintings also look very pretty. See, I have blue color, black color here. I'm just ghumawing my hand here, ghumawing my hand here, ghumawing my hand here. Okay, so let's take our 8B pencil or our, okay, I'll have to go and get it. It's not there in my pouch. I'll go and get it. Back with my 8B pencils. 8B means my charcoal pencils, and a little bit of black color is the fun of the entire drawing. Now what am I going to do is just draw the borders of the birds, which you all were never able to see. मेरी birds बहुत गंदी आई है रे बच्चों, क्या करूं? बट गंदी आई तो क्या हुआ, मैंने बनाई है इसलिए चांगली चाहिए. Can you see one bird here? Yes कि no? हो कि no? हो, मला माहित आहे तुम्हाला दिसली. मैंने बनाते वक्त ना ऐसी चोच बनाई थी, मैं भूल गई. Now can you see the birds? Yes. See, I have merged the birds in the blue color. Correct? You all are not able to see it unless and until we don't do the background. These are few beauty spots which you all should learn. Some things should be दबावा, which सिर्फ गौर से देखे तो समझता है, वैसा वाला. And some things should be उभरेला. Some things should be ऐसा, some things should be वैसा. Okay? Okay, let's border the leaves. Baki we need all mota border, so we are not going to use this pencil. Now all these borders are going to be the mota borders. Now listen. Now I have the black color in my hand. Now what I do is the frame which I had made initially. See this frame. So what I do is I take this black color, I do it. Now I take my hand and I smudge it off. Okay? This, असं नाही करायचं, माझं नाक नाही काटवायचं. See, I have put my black color darkly and now I just fellow it with my hand. Again, here I put my black color darkly and fellow it with my hand. I put the black color darkly and fellow it with my hand. Now even for the pooch, I fellow it with my hand. Again the frame of the painting, I fellow it with my hand. Again I do a black border and fill it with my hand. Again I do the black border and fill it with my hand. See, such a shabby painting, but it looks pretty. I like it. I don't know, तुम लोग बोलोगे pretty pretty बोल रही, कितों pretty दिखती पी है टीचर, है ना? कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है, कभी 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 फिलाओ इट, है ना? कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है, जो चीज़ हमको अच्छी लगती है वो दूसरों को नहीं अच्छी लगती, और कभी कभी जो अच्छी नहीं लगती है हमको वो दूसरों को बहुत अच्छी लगती है ना? Everyone has their individual choices. Okay, here the hand needs a little bit of bordering. नाही, हे पेन्सिल नाही मला चांगली वाटते. So I've done it. Wherever you feel, please take up with your pencils and do it, children. If you don't have this pencil also, it is okay. ऐसे तुम्हारे कोई मार्क्स नहीं कटने वाले ही, but try and do it. घड्यात वाजले 9, पापाचे आली फोन, जेवण नाही बनवलं तन आंटी तू नहीं. इधर क्या करे, ऐसे गोल गोल घुमटी करे. नहीं, पहले हम लोग ये चेन को करते हैं, नहीं तो चेन ही नहीं दिख रही. इतनी मेहनत से मैंने बनाई चेन, उसके अंदर घंटी भी डाली, घंटी भी नहीं दिसती, घंटी भी दिसनी चाहिए थी है ते. हत्ती भी आया, खड़ा भी आया. So all this is going to be super duper dark. Okay children, बच्चा पार्टी तुम्हाला समजते ना मी काय सांगते तुम्हाला ते. Okay, now if you all want, if you all wish, you all can write any mantra or something if you all wish. Let's make a smile here. See, certain parts, when you see that part you realize अरे इधर तो black उभर के नहीं आया, ब्लैक पॉइंट है ना? कभी कभी ऐसा मन में आता है ना विचार, ऐसा विचार आने का नहीं, पटकन करून द्यायचं. अभी मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, मैं गणपति के पीछे ना थोड़ा सा काला करती. सो you understanding what I have done here, the same thing I'm doing here as a shadow, and I'm just following the color. Okay, now if you all want, you can take your what you say, और ऐसे तुम लोग राम राम राम. I'm writing it with my nails क्योंकि मेरे मुंह में वो आ रहा नहीं था स्क्रैपर का नाम. राम, ऐसा तुम लोग कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. ओम, ऐसा. ओके, ऐसे राम राम. So I've written something. You can fill it with small letters. A little different painting, which I always try to do something different, which it's an oil pastel painting, no difference at all. But see, in this was the girl, now the flowery girl, then we made the Radha Krishna. This is a very typical painting. Then I tried to do with this color, which is called as the fluorescent colors, and today I have done this painting taking few color combinations, doing it very shabbily to show that even shabby paintings can look pretty. So bye till then children, I have a lot of work to do. I'll come back tomorrow or day after tomorrow and come up with a very pretty painting for you, but something new, not वही common वाली चीज़ें नहीं करेंगे, uncommon चीज़ करेंगे. I like to do painting only but differently. ए तुम्हाला माझी चिडिया दिसते का? हो की न? चलो बाय.